Let's get started with the Charlotte Lynx pattern. But first, let me tell you a few tips. Number one is always wear rain boots, like Robin. And number two, if you've ever used a pressure washer, you might know about a little kickback that happens when you first start it. So what we advise is to start in the middle of the stencil. So when you pressure wash, you don't pressure wash outside of the stencil, okay? All right, let's get started. Robin's gonna stand on top of the stencil first and then pressure wash the entire pattern, and I'll move it to show you how to repeat the pattern. Perfect. Now we're gonna move our stencil over, and you can see the pattern. But what we're gonna do on this one is line up the outside of this pattern with the previous pattern. So you can see this pattern popping through, but what you're gonna do is pull it so it's just slightly peeking through. So you'll see a little bit of the pressure wash pattern from prior to, and now we're just gonna go forward with pressure washing this entire pattern again. Okay, next we're gonna move the stencil down. You can see the pattern already starting to come together. And again, you're going to take this Charlotte Lynx stencil and line it up with the previous pattern on the ground, but just leaving a little bit peeking through. So, you have a fine line of already clean concrete, you line it up on that, and pressure wash away. Great. Now let's move our stencil one last time to complete this to show you guys. And now we can line it up with just, again, that hairline of clean showing through from both patterns. And it looks like we're already aligned. Go for it. All right, that completes our Charlotte Lynx. This dirt never looks so good.